What is up, you guys? This is MotoCap, and today is the day we're gonna change these long, kind of ugly exhaust tips. I purchased these GP Shorties online for about, I think they were like $109, $105. Big difference. Sorry, big difference. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I won't be filming the whole process of me doing it because I'm alone, it's late, no one wants to help me, so I'm gonna do it by myself. So let me just kind of talk to you of what I'm gonna do. I'm going ahead and remove these bolts right here. This right here, so we got one bolt there, we got second bolt there, and that's gonna basically release the, you know, that's basically what's holding the exhaust up, I mean to the pipes leading to the headers. Also, we're gonna remove this bolt right here, that one right there, and there's one more. There you go, that one right there. And I believe that's it, and I can just light them right out. So sorry about the lighting, I know it pretty sucks, but it's late as you can see, and I can't wait until tomorrow because I'm too excited. So all right, let me do a little sound test right now, before and after, so give me a second. Alright guys, so this is the stock exhaust. Let me rev it up a bit. So yeah, that was the exhaust. I don't want to leave it on for too long because they're gonna get hot and I gotta touch them. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just change them, and then we'll do a sound test with the new GP Shorties. We'll be back. Alright guys, I'm not done yet, but I just removed the stock exhaust. These guys are here, and they are heavy, dude. They're really heavy. So I guess my bike's losing a few pounds, at least 25 pounds or more. But yeah, so now time to install the other ones, but let's just hear how this sounds. Let's see how it sounds just straight piped. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Oh, that's gonna be a little loud, I'm gonna wake up the neighbors, but screw it. There we go. I'm scared. Okay, I had to turn that off, guys. That was loud. That was really loud. Oh my god, it's gonna be awesome. Alright, well, I guess I'll install those shorties and then we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, I'm back and they're done. This is the GP Shorties. I got on Amazon for about, I think it was $60. No, sorry, that's for the Honda Rebel. It was like $60 for one, but this one's two, is about $100, 105 or so, 110. So yeah, there it is. Look nice, matches the whole black. So let's go ahead and start her up. I guess I'm kind of nervous because it's late, like I said, and I'm gonna wake up the neighbors, but it's for the video. Here we go. Rev it up a bit. Oh shit. GP Shorties. They're crazy. What do y'all think?
Yeah,
Alright. See you guys on the next one.